Interested in natural remedies? Today I'm showing you how to make your own herbal tincture at home. It's easy, effective, and as always, check the comments for links to verify our sources. To start, you'll need dried or fresh herbs of your choice. Today I'm using echinacea, great for immune support. You'll also need a jar and some high-proof alcohol, like vodka, which acts as the solvent. Fill the jar halfway with your herbs. This ensures a good herb-to-liquid ratio. If you're using dried herbs, you can fill it a little less, since they expand once they absorb the liquid. Next, pour the alcohol over the herbs until the jar is full. The alcohol extracts the active compounds from the herbs and preserves them. Seal the jar tightly, label it with the date, and store it in a cool, dark place. Shake it gently every day for at least 2 weeks, ideally 4 to 6 weeks, to extract the beneficial properties. After a few weeks, strain the mixture through a cheesecloth or fine mesh to separate the liquid from the herbs. The resulting tincture is potent, and just a few drops can provide all the benefits of the herb. Making your own herbal tincture is simple and gives you control over your natural remedies. If you found this helpful, like and subscribe, and check the comments for source links. Happy tincture making!